Hi, welcome to Janice channel. My name is Janice. Today I'll be sharing with you what is Agile. Okay, what is Agile? Agile is an iterative and flexible approach to project management and software development that emphasizes collaboration, adaptability, and customer satisfaction. It was introduced as an alternative to traditional rigid project management methodologies such as the waterfall model. The Agile methodology values individuals and interactions over processes and tools, and it prioritizes working software over comprehensive documentation. The Agile Manifesto, created in 2001 by a group of software developers, outlines the core principles of the Agile approach. There are 4 principles. They are: number 1, individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Agile places a strong emphasis on communication and collaboration among team members rather than relying solely on rigid processes and tools. Number 2, working software over comprehensive documentation. While documentation is important, the primary focus in Agile is on delivery functionality, usability software to customers as early as possible. Number 3, customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Agile encourages close collaboration with customers throughout the development process, allowing for continuous feedback and adaptation to meet customers' needs. Number 4, responding to changing over following a plan. Agile recognizes that requirements and priorities can change rapidly, and it values the ability to adapt and adjust the project directions based on new information. What are the key characteristics of Agile? Agile methodologies often involve breaking a project into smaller, manageable increments called sprints or iterations. Teams work on these iterations, which typically last from 1 to 4 weeks, and aim to deliver a working product increment at the end of each iteration. This approach allows for regular feedback, continuous improvement, and the ability to respond to changing requirements. Some popular Agile frameworks and methodologies include Scrum, Kanban, Extreme Programming, and Lean Agile. Each of these approaches has its own set of practices and rules, but they all share the common Agile principles of adaptability and customer centricity. So, what is Scrum? Scrum is an Agile framework for managing and developing products, particularly in software development. It provides a structured approach to iterative and incremental product development. Here's an explanation of the key elements of Scrum. Roles: Scrum Master. The Scrum Master is responsible for ensuring that the Scrum process is followed correctly. They facilitate Scrum events, remove impedance, and protect the team from external distraction. Their primary goal is to support the team in achieving its objectives. Product Owner. The Product Owner represents the stakeholders, customers, and users. They are responsible for defining and prioritizing the product backlog, which contains all the work that needs to be done on the project. The product owner collaborates with the team to ensure that product right features are developed and developed. The development team consists of self-organizing and cross-functional members responsible for turning the product backlog items into a potentially shippable product increment. They collaborate closely with the product owner and Scrum Master to develop the product in iterations called sprints. Ceremonies: sprint planning, At the beginning of each sprint, the team holds a sprint planning meeting. During this meeting, they decide on the work they will complete during the sprint and create a sprint goal. Daily stand-up. The daily stand-up is a short daily meeting where team members provide updates on their progress, discuss any obstacles, and plan their work for the day. Sprint review. At the end of each sprint, the team presents the complete work to stakeholders and gathers feedback. The product owner reviews the progress against the sprint goal and may adjust the product backlog based on feedback. Sprint retrospective. After each sprint review, the team holds a sprint retrospective, reflect on their progress, teamwork, and effectiveness. They identify what went well and what can be improved, making adjustments for future sprint. Now let's look at what is Kanban. Kanban is an agile methodology that focuses on visualizing work and optimizing the flow of work items through a process. It's often used in environments with continuous delivery requirements and for teams that need a flexible approach to managing their workload. The key elements of Kanban include visual board. Kanban uses a visual board to represent the workflow and the progress of work items. Work items are represented as cards or sticky notes, and columns represents different stages of the workflow, such as to do, in progress, and done. Focus on continuous flow. Kanban emphasizes maintaining a smooth and continuous flow of work. Work items move through the workflow without waiting for specific time box iterations, as in Scrum. Limiting work items. Kanban use work in progress limits to restrict the number of work items allowed in each column. This prevents overloading the team and helps identify bottlenecks in the process. Now let's look at extreme programming. Extreme programming is an agile methodology that focuses on technical excellence and collaboration. It aims to produce high-quality software and emphasizes practices that enhance development speed and customer satisfaction. Key elements of extreme programming include emphasis on technical practices. Extreme programming places significant importance on technical practices like pair programming, where two developers work together at one computer, and test-driven development, TDD, where tests are written before the code is implemented. Frequent releases like XP advocates for frequent releases of small valuable increments. This ensures that the software is delivered to customers frequently, allowing for quick feedback and adjustment. And then there's continuous integration. Extreme programming promotes continuous integration, where code changes are integrated into the main code frequently. This ensures that integration issues are discovered and resolved quickly. Okay, the fourth agile methodology is Lean Agile. Probably some of you have heard of it, Lean Agile. What is Lean Agile? Lean Agile is an approach that combines the principles of Lean and Agile methodologies. It focuses on streamlining processes to maximize value delivery to customers while minimizing waste. Key aspects of Lean Agile include combining Lean and Agile principles. Lean principles originated in manufacturing and focuses on efficiency, waste reduction, and value stream optimization. Lean Agile combines these principles with Agile methodologies, adaptability, and customer centricity. Streamlining processes. Lean Agile aims to optimize the entire value stream from idea to product delivery. It identifies and limits long value-adding activities to create a more efficient and effective workflow. Maximizing value. Lean Agile prioritizes the delivery of value to customers. It encourages the continuous improvement and customer feedback to ensure that the product meets customer needs and expectations. Now let's look at 8 benefits of using Agile. Okay, number one, faster time to market. Agile's iterative and incremental development approach allows for quicker release of working software. Instead of waiting for a lengthy development cycle to complete before delivering a product, Agile teams deliver functional increments at the end of each iteration. This means that valuable features and updates can be released to customers more frequently, enabling organizations to respond faster to market demands and gain a competitive edge. Number two, adaptability. Agile methodologies are designed to embrace change. In traditional project management approaches like waterfall, changes in requirements during development can be challenging and costly to implement. However, Agile teams welcome change and are better equipped to respond to new information, evolving market conditions, or shifting priorities. Agile's flexibility allows teams to reprioritize work and new features or modify existing ones without disrupting the overall project flow. Number three, enhance customer satisfaction. Agile methodologies prioritize customers' collaboration and feedback through the development process. Regular interactions with customers and stakeholders, such as during sprint reviews and daily stand-ups, help ensure that the product realigns with their needs and expectations. As a result, Agile teams are more likely to deliver products that meet customer requirements, leading to higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. Number four, continuous improvement. Agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban encourage regular retrospectives and continuous improvement practices. After each sprint or on an ongoing basis, teams assess their performance, identify areas for improvement, and implement changes accordingly. This commitment to continuous improvement enhances team efficiency, productivity, and product quality over time. Number five, early detection of issues. Agile iterative nature allows teams to identify issues and risks early in the development process. Regular reviews and demos enable stakeholders to provide feedback and catch potential problems before they escalate. Early detection and quick resolution issues reduce project risks and help maintain project timelines and budgets. And number six, empowered teams. Agile promotes self-organizing and cross-functional teams. Team members are encouraged to collaborate, make decisions collectively, and take ownership of their work. This empowerment fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility, leading to higher team morale and motivation. Number seven, transparency and visibility. Agile methodologies often use visual boards and charts to display project progress, work in progress, and potential blockers. This transparency enables all team members and stakeholders to have a clearer understanding of project status, making it easier to address challenges and make informed decisions. Number eight, reduce waste. Agile focus on delivering the most valued features first and avoiding unnecessary work. By prioritizing and continuously reviewing the product backlog, Agile teams can concentrate their efforts on delivering the most important features, reducing wasted time and resources. Overall, the benefits of Agile make it a popular and effective approach for managing projects, particularly in dynamic and complex environments where customers' needs may change, and delivering value quickly is essential for success. Okay, now for Agile adoption. Agile has been actually widely adopted in various industries, not just limited to software development, as it promotes greater efficiency, customer satisfaction, and adaptability in the face of rapidly changing business environment. Okay, So I hope yeah, you understand what is Agile, and do click the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel, Janice channel, and do share with others. Remember to click the like and subscribe button and the bell button. Yeah, and you can get updated with my latest videos when you subscribe to my channel. It will help me if you click the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.